Wax the skis, a guide to understanding this phrase. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a fun and practical phrase in the English language, wax the skis. This expression has both literal and figurative meanings, and we'll explore both to help you understand and use it effectively. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. Wax the skis literally refers to the process of applying a layer of wax to the bottom of skis. This practice is common in skiing to reduce friction between the ski and the snow, which helps in achieving better speed and smoother movement. It's a routine maintenance task for skiers and is essential for optimal performance on the slopes. In a figurative sense, wax the skis can be used to describe preparing or getting ready for an upcoming event or activity, especially one that is eagerly anticipated or exciting. For instance, if someone says, "I'm waxing the skis for our trip next week," they might not be talking about actual skiing. Instead, they're expressing their excitement and preparations for the trip. Now, let's see how you can use wax the skis in everyday conversation. Literal use: I need to wax the skis before we head to the mountains tomorrow. Figurative use: the project launches next month, and we're all waxing the skis, making sure everything goes smoothly. Understanding the context is key to using this phrase correctly. Wax the skis is a versatile phrase in English, useful in both literal and metaphorical situations. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like this. Happy skiing, or in this case, happy learning. See you in the next video.